Okay. Good evening, student. Today I'm going to start JavaScript. The first question arises in our mind: what is Java and JavaScript? Java is basically one programming language, and JavaScript is one scripting language. So, using programming language, we can create any web application, desktop-based application. But using scripting language, we can only create any web pages. So, web pages having the portion where we can enter any logical part, that portion is known as JavaScript portion. So we want to create in one web page, so we have to use the language that should be HTML hypertext markup language. We want to make the design of that particular web page, then we have to use CSS. CSS stands for cascading style sheet. But we want to create any calculation part. Like we having one form, we just want to validate whether all the fields of that form is properly entered or not. That means name is properly entered or not, address is properly entered or not. For that reason, we have to check JavaScript validation. So, and also we having the captcha code. We frequently see in any form the captcha code. What is that captcha code? Captcha code is there is a sum we want to check, like 5 plus 2, that would be 7. So if user put the correct answer, that is 7, the captcha will be accepted, and else the user give a incorrect caption, then the captcha will not be accepted. That means the logical portion of any web page can be created using JavaScript. So also we having another scripting language, that is VBScript. Okay, that is Visual Basic Scripting language, and here we will concentrate JavaScript. Okay, and JavaScript having one library that is called jQuery, that is the advanced portion of JavaScript. Now we will start few points what we need to cover regarding JavaScript. Let's see the practical. Okay, now we have to learn few JavaScript basic operations. So first of all, we have to learn what are the variable declaration, how to write document.write method, how to create prompt box, alert box and all, and how to use script, how to use external JavaScript and all. So first we have to start with the variable declaration. In JavaScript, like any programming languages, we have some variables. To denote variable in JavaScript, we have to write var keyword, var, var keyword. Okay, so var keyword is used to denote the variable. Okay, so now we have to creating one variable. So first of all, before creating the variable, JavaScript can be written using script tag. Using what tag? Script tag. Script is written within a head tag, right? So within head tag we are writing down script, and there is a script ending tag, and we having the variable declaration like var name equals to or throw, and document.write welcome name. So we are saving that and just opening in browser. So this is the file. Right click on that, open with any web browser. So we are opening it using Google Chrome. The name will be displayed. Undefined. Why it is showing undefined? The name is Orithro. Welcome also save as. We are saving it, save as variable .html, and that should be all files. Where is all files? At the top, having the all files saved. Now we want to see the code. This is not the appropriate program. We are having appropriate code, that is very good. বাবু কমপ্লিট করেছিস?
আচ্ছা একবার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপটা দেখুন।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, দেখছি তাহলে।
কি হলো? ক্যামেরা
আমার একটু
OnePlus লেখা আছে। না, কি লেখা আছে? Nokia 828 ফোন, এটা OnePlus। এটা this is OnePlus supremacy। Nokia এটা তো বিশ্বের জন্য Nokia তো কি ভাবিস? Nokia কি 33 চলছে নাকি? হ্যাঁ, যখন ফোন দেখতে হবে এই মাথায় একটা
ঠিক করেছিস, বাট সামটা করিসনি যে। সামটা তো
মেটালের ফোন রে।
বলছি এটা ঠিক করেছিস, কোডটা ডিসপ্লে হয়েছে, বাট সামটা করিসনি কেন?
তোর ফোন এরকম করা যাবে? এরকম করা যাবে?
Okay, so let's see. We have print the name, what is written within the name variable, right? So why the name is just beside welcome? How to give the space within name and welcome? Just we have to print after a space. So here I need to just give a space and save it. Now that will be proper. Clear? Welcome all. Now we want to take that name within a box and we have to display that name. How to take the box? You said that dialog box. So how to create dialog box, right?
Yes.
Let's see how to create dialog box. View, go to syntax, then go to HTML, write HT and enter. So prompt box, we are creating prompt box, and here is the script, and also we having the ending script. So let's see, we are creating the prompt box. So how to create? See, we are taking one variable like var a equals to prompt, enter name, right? Document dot write
Name equals to
name should be what? Name should be plus name. Save it. Just prompt box.
Oh, Python input and prompt.
Yes, prompt.html. Right. और तो माथा बुद्धि আছে। अच्छा, see. Where is prompt?
কি আছে?
Open with Chrome. अच्छा, enter any name you want. Enter any name.
Sayan.
Riju, right?
Sayan.
Name. Where is name? Sorry, that variable is name, right? Variable is name. So now Mohan. Welcome, name Mohan. Again we are running Riju. Name Riju. Again we are running Orithro. Name Orithro. So this is called user input in JavaScript. Right? Clear all of you? The last input should be the form input in JavaScript. So how to take form input in JavaScript? So the similar process, we are taking another file, new, and going to view, then syntax, then HTML. We are taking HTML and the code will be automatically written. This is form input in JavaScript. We are writing form input in JavaScript, right? And we are again writing the script. So JavaScript can be written in script tag. So it can be written as script type text or JavaScript, similar. Okay, so we are taking the form input. So how to take? We are taking here, we are creating the form in the body part, and we will be taking that form control within script, right? মানে আমরা দুটো জায়গায় কাজটা করব, মানে আমি বডিতে করব ফর্ম ক্রিয়েশনটা আর স্ক্রিপ্টের মধ্যে করব ফর্মের মধ্যে কাজটা। দেখো ভেরি সিম্পল, আমি দেখাচ্ছি, the addition of two number using JavaScript. So how to create that? We are taking input form within form we are taking table border 2. We are taking tr stands for table row, th enter number 1, th close, input type text, id equals to num1. Okay, so input type text and id equals to number 1. Here the value will be taken from the id field. So what is the name of the id field? Number 1. So value will be taken as the number 1, right? So same thing we have to create. This is one th, another th, or we are taking td here. td mane table data and tier close. We have to copy the entire tier and have to paste the entire tier, and that should be enter number 2, and that should be number 2, and we have to copy the entire part, and we have to write addition result, and that should be result. We are taking one button, right? That should be tier. Within tier we are writing down th call span 2, and here we are writing down input type button, name, add, display add, value add, on click is the function name. We can take any function name, like addition we are taking. So the function should be written addition in the script part. So now we are going to script part, writing the addition. So function should be written using function command. Function and name should be addition, right? For name should be addition.
কালকে আমি আসবো না,
সোমবার চলে আসবি।
সোমবার হবে না
কেন?
এরকম সেই 2nd জানুয়ারি অবধি হবে না, 1st জানুয়ারি অবধি হবে না এখন।
Okay, see, now we are writing function addition. Then we are writing here document dot get element by id, what the number one dot value equals to a. Document dot get element by id number one dot a, sorry, variable a equals to document dot get element by id number one dot value.
Hello, sir.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এক মিনিট দাঁড়া বলছি। আচ্ছা, ওকে, সি নাও variable a document dot get element by id number one dot value. So number one dot value and that should be %. So %. So %, means what? % means the value was given in string. ভ্যালুটা কিসে দেওয়া ছিল? স্ট্রিং এ, নাম বুঝছিল, ওটাকে আমি পার্সেন্ট দিয়ে কিসে কনভার্ট করলাম? নাম্বারে কনভার্ট করলাম, ইন্টিজারে। %, দ্যাট মিন্স দ্যাট উইল বি ইন ইন্টিজার নাম্বার। সো এর মধ্যে ফার্স্ট নাম্বারটা রাখলাম, এগেন উই আর কপিং ইট and pasting it, storing the second number in B, right, and that should be number 1 and that should be number 2, and we are doing the addition where C equals to A plus B, and we have to see document dot get element by id. So what should be the value of the third field? The value of the third field is result, right? So result dot value, the value we are storing, that will be displayed within result. Clear? And we have to save it. Save again desktop, then add dot html, save, minimize, add, open with Chrome. Okay, now we are taking 2 number in form input. So 3 input we are taking in JavaScript. One is normal input, you have to write within variable. Second is prompt box. Third is form. In form we are typing 20 and the second number is 30. Now we are adding it. The added result should be 50. Form close or form already closed? Acha. So form close, single time form will be closed. Now that will be this one, 23 and 22 addition, variable a % document dot get element by id number 1 dot value, variable b % document dot get element by id number 2 dot value, where c equals to a plus b, document dot get element by id result dot value equals to c. Yes, very good. Now F5, 23, 22, 45. NaN means not a number, because I am not giving any number input, that is why the error is given. Now it is okay. Clear? All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, class.
Welcome, sir.
please like and subscribe this channel.
and Sayan.